Well, 2017 is gone, and with the new year comes a new opportunity to accomplish goals and realize dreams. Sort of reinvent yourself, if you will. If you've ever thought about owning a business, Dustless Blasting may be the perfect opportunity for you. It's a fairly straightforward, simple business. You're simply spraying things with high-pressure grit water, obliterating coatings, and making things look brand new. Classic cars, buildings, and everything in between. In fact, let's see what some of our Dustless Blasting business owners around the country have been up to recently. NORRIS Dustless Blasting eliminated the old grime from this grill/smoker. You see his DB500 Mobile XL back there, and now that brick looks brand new. PEEDEE'S Dustless Blasting used this steel stencil to etch a logo into the concrete in front of this body shop. And PEARSON Precision Blasting removed the paint from this dump trailer and had it ready for new paint in just a few hours. Well, hey, if you want to make big things happen in 2018 by starting a Dustless Blasting business, be sure to call us and have a great week. Please like and share this video if you enjoyed it.